Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be guiding you through how to change your language on CoinStats account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive in straight into the video. Launch open a web browser to get started. Now go to the URL box and type in coinstats.app and press enter on your keyboard in order to end up in the official site for CoinStats. Also make sure to log into your CoinStats account by entering its correct credentials if you're not logged in already. After you are signed in, go ahead and click on the gear button appearing at the top right hand corner and click on the language option. There, you'll be able to see the list of available languages you can choose from and change into. Select the language to change to from the list, and within a few seconds, you will be able to change your language display for your CoinStats account. If you ever want to change to any other languages, you can go ahead and repeat the step, choose from the language option and select the language of your preferences. So that was how you can easily change a language on your CoinStats account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.